So we're asked to work out 13% 600 kilograms. Well, 100% of our amount is what we start with, so 100% of our amount must be equal to that 600 kilograms. Now to get to 13%, we can first go back to 1% and then multiply by 13 to get up to our 13%. So 1% we find by dividing by 100. And then we've got to divide by 100 over here as well. So divide this 600 by 100. So 1% is going to be equal to 6 kilograms. 600 divided by 100 gives us 6. Now to find 13%, we need to multiply this 1% by 13. We then need to do the same on the other side. Multiply this 6 kilograms by 13. So 13% is going to be 6 times 13 kilograms, which is going to be 78 kilograms. So 13% of 600 kilograms is 78 kilograms.